Yo, what's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time here, glad to have you. Make sure you hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always in the loop with the latest game hacks, guides, and updates. Today I'm showing you a super simple way to score unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame in the Spike. No PC, no sketchy software, and definitely no rooting or jailbreaking required. I tested it myself and the resources showed up crazy fast. Let me walk you through the steps. It's easier than you think. First things first, you need your player ID from the Spike. Just launch the game, head to your profile settings, and look for that combo of letters and numbers. That's your unique ID. Write it down or take a quick screenshot so you've got it handy. Once you've got that, you're ready for the next step. Now open up your mobile browser and head over to the website I'm using today. It's packed with working hack tools for tons of mobile games. Search for the Spike Unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame hack, select it from the list, and you'll be taken straight to the generator page. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Once you're on the generator page, you'll see a short form. Pick your platform, iOS or Android, and paste in the player ID you just grabbed. Double-check everything's accurate, then hit Proceed. The tool will sync with your account in just a few seconds. No worries on the safety, everything runs through encrypted servers and proxy protection. Once you've connected, it's time to choose how much resources you want. Pick your amount, tap Proceed, and the tool will start working behind the scenes, linking servers, encrypting data, doing all the back-end magic. Just let it process for a moment. Almost there. Before the resources can hit your account, there's a quick human check. This step helps keep bots from abusing the tool. Usually it means downloading a free app from the App Store or Play Store and doing a short task like opening it and clicking around for a bit. It's super straightforward, and there are often tutorial videos right on the page to guide you through it. Once that's done, you're good to go. And just like that, your Vpoints and Blue Flame should be waiting for you in the Spike. I ran through this process myself, and as you can see, it works without a hitch. No more grinding or dropping real cash, just straight-up gameplay fun. And there you go, a complete step-by-step guide. How to get unlimited Vpoints and Blue Flame in the Spike. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video and share it with your fellow gamers. Ran into a problem or have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always checking in and happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're the first to catch my next guide or hack. Thanks for watching, enjoy your boosted account, and I'll see you in the next hack tutorial.